Hello all the economics lovers, good evening. So today I'm gonna talk about macroeconomics. So what do you know about it? Just do comment below and now I'm going to explain it. So the term macro in English language has its origin the Greek language term macros, which means large. So macroeconomics is the branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of an economy as a whole. Some of the definitions of macroeconomics are given below. Macroeconomics theory is that the part of economics which studies the overall averages and aggregates system. Macroeconomics deals with the functioning of the economy and the whole. So macroeconomics concerns the such variables as the aggregate volume of the output of an economy with the extent which its resources are employed. So what is the difference between micro and macroeconomics? So microeconomics is originate from Greek word micros, which means a small. Macroeconomics is originated from Greek word macros, which means large. Macroeconomics is the study of how individual households and firms make decisions and how they interact in markets. Macroeconomics is the study of economy that wide phenomena including inflation, unemployment, economic growth. Microeconomics is known as price theory. Macroeconomics is known as income theory. Microeconomics studies principles, problems, and policies concerning the optimum allocations of resources with maximum satisfaction. Macroeconomics studies the problems, policies, and principles relating to full unemployment and growth of resources. Macroeconomics studies relative price of a particular commodity. And the macroeconomics studies general principles, average price of goods and services available. Macroeconomics studies partial equilibrium analysis. It studies equilibrium as a particular point of a time. It doesn't consider the other factors, so regarded as a static analysis. Macroeconomics studies general equilibrium analysis. All variables changes with time, so it's regarded as a dynamic analysis. Macroeconomics provides full employment equilibrium. Macroeconomics provides underemployment equilibrium. Macroeconomics fail to take into account of aggregates. Macroeconomics fail to take into account of individuals. So objectives of macroeconomics, what are the objectives of macroeconomics? And yes, my dear students, if you're first on my channel, then please do subscribe. Okay, so number 1, sustainability. Number 2, full employment. Number 3, price stability. Number 4, external balance. Number 5, balanced distribution. Number 6, increasing productivity. Number 7, thermal equilibrium. So importance of macroeconomics. Macroeconomic theory is that part of economics which studies the overall averages and aggregates of the system. Number 1, understanding the functioning of an economy. Number 2, study of national income. Number 3, formulation of economic policies. So guys, this is our today's class. I hope you can enjoy this class. See you in my next class. Goodbye.